Hello, I'm Ronald Hawkins, Principal of Harbor Laura School. We have begun preparing our scholars for the SBAC Smarter Balance Assessment Consortium test and would like you to do a practice test at home with your scholar. Taking the practice test will help you as parents prepare scholars at home while we prepare them at school. You may take the practice test as many times as you like. The purpose of the practice test is to become familiar with the systems, functionality, and item types. If an item appears to be too difficult, encourage your child to experiment with the tools. Choose the best answer and move on to the next item. So let's get started. I'm going to walk you through the steps so you can prepare to take the test and try it out at home. So you're going to go to principalhawkins.com, and once there, you're going to go to the SBAC practice test. Click on Practice Test. Once here, it's going to take you to the Connecticut State Department of Education Comprehensive Assessment Program portal. Click on Take the Practice and Training Test. For these defaults, you want to make sure that they're on and hit Sign In. For scholars that are in grades 3 through 12, they take the Connecticut SBAC. So I'm going to choose, my son is going to be in 3rd grade. And now this is going to show you the test. So let's say we're going to take the math practice test. Leave the defaults as they are here and hit select. And now begin the test. So once the test loads up, review the screen with your scholars. They will see the exact same screen as they take the SBAC test. So on the left corner, we have Back, Next, Save, Pause. In the right-hand corner, we have Line Reader, Zoom Out, and Zoom In. The Line Reader will highlight the text, and clicking on the sentence, the highlighter moves. This will enable scholars an opportunity to highlight what they're reading. So I'm going to click this off. So for this first question, Megan baked 28 sugar cookies and 24 chocolate chip cookies. Enter the total number of cookies Megan baked in all. So we know that the answer is 52. So you're going to click in the answer box and the scholar would type 52. Now if I click anywhere over here, another window is going to pop up. Tutorial, and this is an opportunity for them to see exactly what SBAC is asking for. So they're going to tell you how to answer the question. You click the X and it will close out the tutorial. I'm going to click again, mark for review. So if I click this, you notice that the flag pops up here. The scholar will have an opportunity to review this question at a later time. Say it's a question and they're stuck on it, or they need a little bit more time to think about how they're going to answer. They could mark for review and then come back to it at a later time in the test. And let's unmark the review item. And then the last one is Notepad. And this is just an opportunity for them to write notes or work things out within this window. So we're going to cancel. Lastly, if they were reading text, this highlight selection would be available for them as well. Okay, so I hope this helps. Good luck taking the practice test. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me at ronald.hawkins@capitalprepharbor.org. Good luck and happy testing.